Welcome back to the Nappy Boy Automotive YouTube channel. First thing I want to say is thank you guys because we hit 50,000 subscribers, baby. That's huge. That's huge. And that's all because of you guys. So thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Maybe I got to talk to the merch guy. Maybe we'll do a sale for 50,000 subscribers. That's probably something we should do. That's a great idea.
It's right here.
Yeah, it's right here. Yeah. This is your sale to go on the website to thank you for helping us get to 50,000 subscribers. The new goal is 100,000. We've got a lot of things planned, like this current video that you're watching that I may or may not have lost the footage from. That's why it's coming out now, but that's neither here or there. Gucci's coming back. Hey, don't show too much. Gucci's coming back. We got some other projects, some other cool cars that we're going to build. We may or may not build some limos, but I'm really just here to say thank you guys. So enjoy the video. Thanks for watching. Nappyboy.store to collect your 50,000 subscriber discount. This makes no sense.
You ain't doing shit.
When the light goes green, go.
Shit.
I guess it's by the grace of God, I done came up on some dollars, stun like daddy on my mama, hallelujah. My nigga, I ain't tripping, slipping, falling for about what these niggas talking. Get your roll on Stephen Hawking, power to you. I tried and I can't give a fuck, I just don't know. You niggas' minds is always hurting, ain't said nothing profound. They got me isolated, meditating.
Welcome back to the channel. We're here at GTR Festival, brought to you by PRP and Motive Video. This event is actually insane. I've never seen this many Skylines in one place. And the only place that I think would do it bigger is GTR Festival in Australia.
We interrupt this program to bring you a special report.
If you needed a reason to go to nappyboy.store, we've got these new skate decks along with, you know, our typical shirts, our hats and all that good stuff. I'm actually loaded up to go to Lime Rock Park right now for Grid Life. And I'm gonna bring 20 of these and 20 of these. So first come, first serve. Thought these would be some pretty cool wall pieces, but nappyboy.store, get your skate decks, get your shirts, your hats, your stickers, everything.
Why does twerk looks a little? Twerk looks a little.
This is the first time they brought this event here to the United States. I can say that they did not disappoint. There's 32s, 33s, 34s, 35. There's Hakoskas. There's everything under the sun, powered by RB engines, and it's. I almost said a bad word. It's sick. You designed the R35 GTR?
Yeah, and the 34.
And this one too? Oh.
No, because of the designer is a designer's job. I'm more like a conductor.
Okay. Project.
Orchestra.
Yeah. Okay. He played a part in this car coming to life and the R35 coming to life. So for him to see this and be excited about it, and he's not mad at the spam rap. So that's a good sign. So for those of you in the comments who are mad at the spam rap, but the person who helped design the R34 GTR isn't mad at the spam rap, you got problems. All right? I need you to see something. Get mine, bro.
So I used to build a lot of American cars myself.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
then once I started getting into the car culture, I saw everything JDM, and man, once I started putting American motors in Japanese cars, then I was like, this is the best thing I've ever done. So now I'm fully Japanese car. My whole fleet is pretty much just all this now. So and hanging out with him, he taught me a lot about the whole culture. So this is
But where are you from?
Florida. Yeah.
So more American or something, but
Much
your
more.
origin is a muscle car because of I was living in Chicago, by the way.
Okay,
A long time ago, just 2 or 3 years old. And that's why I don't know anything. Just my dad is using the boat for American V8. That was my printing. It's a paradox. You know?
Exactly.
This is a very original for nice. Thank you for your time.
Absolutely. Enjoy yourself, sir. Yes, sir. That was fucking cool. That was fucking cool.
That session was fire though, huh?
That was sick, bro.
That session
was sick, dude. That was so
that
sick.
session was fire though.
Good session, bro. Yeah.
So what did you hit here? Tell me.
I had the orange barrier.
Why?
So that last little
Why?
coming because I was trying to left foot brake through it to keep proximity.
Yesterday, I let Payne pass me 2 times because it was either let him pass me or get hit. After the session, I said, hey, it's time. You've made it to the point where you need to learn how to left foot brake.
I thought I knew.
And then I explained it to him. He got it, but then last night he said he had an epiphany and he really got it.
Like 3 in the morning, I was like, oh, that's how that works.
Yeah, I told him, hey, when you get home, practice on the sim before we start implementing this in real time.
He implemented it.
I ran right implement to a damn barrier.
So we're hanging out at GTR Festival. I'm minding my own business. Hunter goes, hey, Hert, that's Ralph Barbosa. And I'm like, what the fuck?
It was me that he saw.
And then I remember seeing some of the skits. He loves cars, and I just found out you got a Yokosuka Skyline over there.
They call it a Hakosuka, but we're in Texas, so it's Hakosuka now. I paid way too much money to not call it what I want.
What other cars you have?
I got an R32 GTR gunmetal gray with some R34 wheels on it. I got an R35 GTR 2024. It's like been my daily driver. And then I got some old schools at the house. I got a G body. I got an 88 Monte Carlo Super Sport.
Okay, all right.
We got a Grand National. Not really a Grand National right now, but it's all the pieces to a Grand National.
Honestly, I didn't know you had all that. That's nice.
Best of both worlds. All Chevys and Nissans.
You ever been drifting before?
Once we crashed.
Do you like crashing?
I don't mind it.
Okay. All right. So what's gonna happen? You're gonna lead. I'm gonna chase, and then you guys are gonna hold hands. That's how close I'm gonna get. You guys hold hands.
I normally don't hold hands with dudes, but for T-Pain, I'll do it. They call him T-Pain, they call me T-Pleasure.
out of his mind, bro.
That's that was T-Pain's car, that green one behind us.
You good? I didn't fuck anything up. Was that wall ride good?
Oh my dude! That was fucking sick. I'm in love. You gotta get a drift car now. That's the next project.